guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And today guys, I am going to bling out a rustic pail, cute pail that I got from the store. As you can see, I already sized up my diamond roll that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have my glue gun and my additional glue, just in case I need it, as always. And I have my cardboard, just to keep the glue from getting on my tablecloth. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with adding the glue to the fabric and placing it, to the desired place, which will be for me at the bottom of the pail. And guys, as I am putting this glue on the fabric, it is burning the crap out of my hands. So basically, I'm just gonna proceed to go around the bottom of the pail, adding the fabric and the glue and making sure that the fabric is secure on the pail. Now right here, let me see. Okay guys, so pretty much just sized up good at the bottom here. So I think that is pretty cute. And once you go ahead and glue everything, just press it down, press the fabric down to make sure that it's secure and tight. So that's what I'm doing at this point. Now I am going to begin to add the fabric to the top of the pail. Now for this decor that I'm doing, I don't want to do too much to the pail. I just kind of want to bling it out a little bit, just to add a little bit of bling to it, and I think it's really cute. It's not too much, it's not too little. It's just right for what I wanted. So once again guys, I'm beginning to add my glue to the fabric and it's burning my hand. So guys, when you're doing this, you have to be careful with the glue because it's really hot. And I'm just going to proceed, like I did the bottom, I'm just going to proceed to go around the pail, adding the glue and adding the fabric to the pail, making sure that it's tight. And guys, I saw this pail at Dollar General and I thought it was the cutest thing. I was looking for a basket to make a gift basket for my mom for her birthday. And when you're making a gift basket, guys, you can make a basket. You can make a gift basket with any type of basket. I mean, you can use what you want to use. It don't have to be a traditional basket. So I decided to use this. So I'm just trying to make it, just a little cute for her. Alright, so we're going around. Now with this particular piece, I need to add a little more fabric, so I'm going to have to size up some additional fabric up, and I'm going to have to add it to the fabric that I already have glued to the pail. So it's not going to be a big piece, it's just going to be a small piece that I have to add, as you can see. And once again guys, I'm getting the glue, the dried glue off of my hands, because when it get on your hands it's hot and it dries instantly. So, and it's easy to peel off once it dries, which is really quickly. Alright guys, so I sized the piece up. I'm going to glue both ends and add it to the pail, and that pretty much completes my decor. And I'm just mashing it just to make sure that it's secure, and I'm just taking the additional glue off of my hands and the pail. So guys, I think this is really cute. And you guys, it's easy to do. It's not expensive. I got the pail for about $5 at Dollar General, and I got the diamond wrap at Dollar Tree for $1. So you guys subscribe for updates. Come back to my channel for some more creative ideas. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.